Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on the Ludo King game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ludo King game on your device. And once you open it up, proceed with logging in to your account if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to change your profile picture, tap on your profile picture image at the top left corner. This will then open up your profile. Just tap on your profile picture once again. And now, you will be asked to choose your profile picture. You can tap on the plus icon and add from the various different avatars that you can unlock within the game, or you can select one from the list of provided options. Once you tap on your preferred profile picture, it will be added to your profile right away. In order to confirm this change, tap on the continue button. And now your profile picture will be changed on the Ludo King game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your profile picture on Ludo King. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.